Leo here, with an event video on Samuel Ontiveros versus the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department. Interest in this case stems from allegations raised by Mongol's motorcycle club members that accuse the state of unconstitutionally targeting them with discriminatory prosecutions over their membership in the club. The state of Nevada has denied the allegations and argues that all defendants are charged because they are in fact violating traffic laws, and any pattern as to their motorcycle club membership is merely coincidence. District Court Judge Tara Clark Newberry and Justices of the Peace Crystal Bradford and Christopher Tillman have allowed comprehensive electronic coverage of the proceedings, the first several hearings of which have already been recorded and will publish shortly. The police department is represented by Robert Freeman. The motorcycle club members are represented by Stephen Stubbs. You can keep up to date with our coverage schedule by visiting the media tab at ournevadajudges.com, or you can send us an email at media@ournevadajudges.com.
This is a case to where a group of members of Mongol's motorcycle club were invited by a resident of Moapa to come and spend 4 hours at his home having a barbecue. They rode their motorcycles in, they rode their motorcycles out, except that some of them tried to stop for gas. That is all that happened in Moapa. However, Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department Criminal Intelligence decided to make a saturation event out of it. And so as they were leaving, there was so many, I don't even know how many police officers there, and there was an unmarked police car that I believe is Sergeant Waltz, because I've seen him, in fact, in the other case, he was in the exact same car, it looks like. And it's very clear from the radio, it's very clear from the body cams that we got last week, that this is way more than a speeding ticket, and there are First Amendment, Fourth Amendment, Fifth Amendment, and even Sixth Amendment implications here. Now, as we all know from law school, if something happens that's in contrary to the US Constitution, it is void as applied. And so I am simply seeking information to see what exactly happened here, because they were taken off their motorcycles or out of the van in Mr. Tanius's case. Their pictures were taken, they were forced to show tattoos, they were interrogated, the traffic stops were extended well beyond what would be a normal traffic stop, which they actually have a court ruling from 2020 with Judge Boulware telling them they're not allowed to do these things, and there was mandatory training that they've had for the last 5 years also telling them they're not allowed to do these things because it violates the Constitution. So they may seem overbroad, but they're relevant.